Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I hate throwing food in the garbage. At the price we pay, I always try to salvage it, creating and making other dishes. When it comes to eggs, many recipes call for yolks only. If I use 2 yolks or more, I keep the whites to make a delicious and healthy breakfast item with them. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my white omelet. I love this recipe. It's so light and fluffy. The beauty of it is you can add leftover vegetables to your omelet. Plus, you utilize your egg whites instead of discarding them. There's no waste. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a medium bowl, we'll season the egg whites with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll whisk vigorously until the mixture is frothy and set aside. In a small skillet over medium heat, we'll add clarified butter. And when it gets hot, we'll add red onions and sliced mushrooms. We'll stir and saute the ingredients until nicely cooked, about 1.5 minutes, while adding some salt to help them sweat. Now, these were the veggies I had to use before they pass their prime. Omelets are a great way to use up leftovers. So this is just a guideline, and I suggest you use whatever veggies that need your attention before they go bad. Alright? I also use up some cherry tomatoes, cut in quarters, about 1/4 cup, and season with a few dashes of hot sauce. Again, it's your omelet. Use whatever you like. So, when the ingredients are cooked, we'll transfer them to a bowl and set aside. Next, after wiping the skillet with paper towels, we'll return it to the heat, but this time on medium-low, and spray it generously with cooking spray. We'll pour in the egg whites and swirl the pan around so they're evenly spread out. Now slowly, we'll see the edges cooking by sliding the spatula under, and as it cooks, more will release from the skillet. The key is to not rush it. So when the bottom is done, we'll carefully add the cooked veggies to 1/2 of the omelet. We'll also add some grated cheese. Come on, we need some cheese in it. Then we'll quickly flip the other half on top. We'll let the cheese melt before transferring to a serving plate. And my friends, this is our white omelet. Light and flavorful, this is a healthy way to start your day. It's a smart recipe because it not only uses up your egg whites, but also any leftover vegetables you might have in your fridge. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!